going on, everyone? Before we get into the video here, I want to do a little quick plug of my boys over at Quokka Brew. Sent me some of their new coffee, the V2 version of what they had before, and they wanted me, give it a little review and tell you guys about it. So on May 19th, they're going to be releasing their new V2, Quokka Brew V2. You might as well check out their Twitter. I'll leave all that stuff linked in the description for you. And my first opinion when I first got it and tried it, which was about like 5 minutes ago, it's really good. Like, I don't know if you guys ever had the first part or first version of it, but a lot of the aftertaste was kind of weird and funky. With this, the aftertaste is none. There's literally no aftertaste at all, and you always, you get the same great benefits as before. It's non-jitterless. A lot of caffeine to get you going. You're gonna solve captures faster because your hands are just moving like fucking fast. So yeah, remember May 19th. Check out their Twitter. I'll leave everything linked in the description. Go check out Quokka Brew V2, and let's get into this video, boys. What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to, hop in here and apologize for not having any video or audio for this. I kind of woke up last second, decided I was going to run it, and I wasn't in the mood to, record voice and audio since I basically literally just rolled out of bed. So, yeah, I apologize for that, so I'm just going to let you guys watch it here. It also happened towards the end of the video in the Jordan 1 Shadow release. My computer was bugging out and everything was freezing and stuff like that, so I couldn't really record any audio or my face during that video as well. So I apologize for that. Obviously, I like to have that stuff in my videos because it adds that personal touch. So I just want to apologize, but yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch this now.
Gas on.
What's going on, people? We're here. We're going for Supreme. We're going for the fridge. A couple tasks, because I'll use it in my room because I'm fat. I'll use it. We'll make sure it gets put to use. And then I'm running some bucket hats for my buyer because he wants them. So hoping I hit the bucket hats at least because that's what my buyer wants. If not, then I'll feel bad. I probably won't hit them anyways because I suck at Supreme. Like, I'm literally so bad at it. But, yeah. We're not getting anything because the site's down. Holy fuck, I hit. Oh, I hit a fridge. I just got a charge. I hit a fucking fridge. It's good, oh, fuck me. A fridge, bro. I hit a fridge. I'm poor now. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Obviously, I said earlier in the video, but I'll tell you again. I had issues during this drop with my recording and my voice and everything. Everything was just dying. My whole computer died. My internet died. Like, it just wasn't good. So I wasn't able to record with voice or camera. So, kind of sucks, but I'm going to make the best of it. Hope you guys aren't, mad at me because that's 2 times in 1 live cop. So, trust me, I'm mad about it too. I'm going to try and figure out what to do so it doesn't happen again. But, yeah. Sorry, guys, and I'll just let you watch it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. You know, post-drop, everything, all that stuff. And I'm sorry, I just gotta, you know, apologize for everything that happened during this live cop. It's not what I wanted it to be. It's not, you know, up to my standards. I'm sorry that I didn't have, you know, voice and video for two of the videos for two of the clips in the video. To me, that's just unacceptable, and I'm sorry I'm letting you guys down. As for like the shadow drop, that was sort of out of my control in a little bit because, you know, my internet kept dying and stuff like that, and it was, I don't know, I was just overloading my computer apparently, even though I wasn't really running too many tasks. They were like CPU intensive. But I don't know, I'm going to try and figure it out so it doesn't happen again. Once again, you know, I'm sorry guys, because I know you guys like seeing my funny face because it's fat and it jiggles. It just moves with movement and stuff like that. So I'm sorry that I wasn't able to show you guys my face during those drops or even have audio, just because even if I didn't have my face, the audio would have a little made up for it because, you know, I'm a little goofball, you guys know that. But I'm sorry. I also have no shoes to unbox because I don't really feel like showing you guys shoes that I already showed you because I didn't get anything new in. I mean, I did get 11 lows in, but those things are ass. You guys don't want to see those, so I'm not showing them to you because I don't think you want to see them. But remember, as we said in the beginning of the video, May 19th, remember to check out Quokka Brew. You guys don't want to miss out, trust me. A lot better than it was before, and if you guys miss out, you guys are, you know, you're straight up missing out, and you're gonna miss out on all the intense flavors of Quokka Brew. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Once again, I'm sorry. Don't hate me. I don't know. We gotta figure it out because this can't be happening. But yeah. Anyways, I love you guys. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.